Are you a parent trying to reduce your child's screen time while still providing meaningful, engaging play? You've found the perfect solution. Meet Happy Hands World, a sensory company dedicated to play with purpose. Every kit is expertly designed to teach a key life concept. In the Unicorn Kit, we help children develop empathy, active listening, and emotional understanding, all through play. Your child will embark on a magical journey of learning with a beautifully illustrated storybook. The kit includes organic, non-toxic Play-Doh, a roller pin, cutters, and a silicone mat, a kids-friendly sewing kit, wooden emotion communication cards, many adorable unicorn characters and all the magical elements of a unicorn world, and a complete parent guide with activities and expert tips to continue learning beyond playtime. More than just a toy. This is a powerful tool to help your child build emotional intelligence, develop social skills, and practice empathy.